Hey everyone. So you just flowed the negative response to the affirmative case. So in a normal debate round, both sides get to have a case. So a case is the new arguments. That's where you present new arguments in the round. The other side always has a chance to attack and have a case. So we have our affirmative case, right? We have negative responses. But in the negative speech, they're also going to have a case. So we have the affirmative case on this side of the flow and responses. On this side of the flow, you're going to have your negative case. So let's create that and draw my columns. If you folded your paper, your columns are already created on the back side. So I'm going to label my first column negative case. And the second column after that would be the affirmative response. So you don't have to label your columns, but they can help you to stay organized. So this is where I'll put the negative case, the affirmative response. So your colors actually also need to match. So here I have affirmative in red. Here I will have affirmative in red. Here I have negative in green. Here I will also have negative in green. So your colors need to match. Every time the negative speaks, they are one color. Every time the affirmative speaks, they are another. If you are speaking, before your speech, you write down your arguments and you use your flow to speak from, and you also have your arguments written down. So I'm going to now give the negative case, and then I'm going to be the affirmative, and I'm probably going to respond to it as well as respond to this. So how I would do that is in what's called a roadmap, which is what you give at the beginning of your speech. You're going to tell your judge where you're going to go. So I would say, Judge, in this speech, I am going to respond to the attacks on my case before attacking my opponent's negative case. Or in this speech, I'm going to attack my opponent's case and then respond to the attacks on my case. That tells your judge when they need to flip their paper over so they know exactly where to flow. So I will roadmap and give you my next